Hi friends, I'm JAS. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Fun with JAS. Guess what we're going to do today? Think. 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Question for you. I'm wearing a flower frock. So do you have to think of something made out of flowers? Paper flowers. These are the stuff we need to make a paper flower with. We'll need green color paper for the stem and the orange color paper for the flower parts, for the petals. We'll need also glue, scissors, ruler, and designer pencils. Roll at the side. Stop rolling at this point and add your glue. Lot of glue. So it doesn't. And now, take your scissors and trim it. So here is the stem. It looks like a seesaw. The next thing we're gonna do is the leaves. So take a pencil and the ruler and draw a straight line. And now, take your scissors and cut through in V shape. It's easy if you do it upside down. Here's the leaf. Next thing we're going to do is the petals. So fold a piece of your color paper. Ask an adult to cut the paper for you if you can't do it. Now draw a straight line. Take a ruler if it's hard, or posy. So after it's all trimmed like straight, open it up and flip it over, flatten it a bit, then glue it up to the punch. Now you're done. So now we have to glue the petals onto the tulip stem. But first we have to put lots and lots of glue in the first part. And go gently. And a lot of glue. And stick very gently. You can do like a both like that, but I'm just gonna leave it. Well, now let's glue it. Glue the grass too. And if it's too long, do another round and another one, and that's finished. To clean up. And this is the finishing touch. And we are finished. I hope you like this craft. You can make a bunch of them and decorate them the whole room or your whole house. If you like my video, subscribe to my channel, Fun with JAS. Ring the bell icon for more notifications and videos. And comment down below if you'd like a video you want, I'll get it done for you. And give a big, big, big thumbs up if you like this video. Bye bye, my friends.